Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Before we dive into today's recipe, I want to share why we're starting this series with sauces. Most home cooks already know how to handle the basics: chicken, pork, seafood, vegetables. What's usually missing isn't the cooking skill. It's the finishing touch, the thing that makes familiar meals feel new again. Sauces are the simplest way to elevate what you already know how to cook. We're not here to teach you how to cook chicken. You already know how to do that. What we are here to do is help you turn chicken for dinner again into wow. What did you do to the chicken tonight? Sauces are the foundation of flavor. They're fast, simple, and they transform everyday meals into something intentional and exciting. Once you master a few foundational sauces, you can lift any meal, any protein, any vegetable with almost no extra effort. This is where confidence begins. This is where creativity begins. This is where your cooking becomes fun again. Today we're starting with a classic, Mignonette sauce. Most people know it as the traditional partner for oysters, but it's far more versatile than that. It brings brightness to seafood, balance to salads, and a clean acidity to grilled vegetables, meats, and poultry. The name comes from the French word mignonette, which originally referred to a sachet of cracked peppercorns and spices. Over time, the term shifted to describe the sauce itself. The modern version, the one we're making today, took shape in the early 20th century and relies on three simple ingredients: shallots, vinegar, and white pepper. Here's everything you need for a classic mignonette: red wine vinegar, minced shallots, white pepper, and a touch of salt. That's it for ingredients. But when they come together, they create a bright, sharp, aromatic sauce that elevates almost anything you pair it with. The only real prep work here is mincing the shallots. Take your time and get them nice and fine. That's what gives the sauce its clean texture. Once the shallots are ready, everything else is just a matter of mixing it together. It's that easy, and the payoff is huge. This one sauce can enhance seafood, vegetables, meats, and even cocktails. Of course, the classic pairing is oysters on the half shell, clean, cold, and briny. But don't stop there. Try it with roasted pork tenderloin, steamed vegetables, or a fresh salad. And if you want something fun, use it to build a light, spicy summer cocktail. It's incredibly versatile. Once you've mastered the base recipe, here are a few variations to explore: a citrus version with grapefruit or lemon zest, an herb version with tarragon or chives, or a heat-forward version with pink peppercorn or chili vinegar. Each one shifts the personality of the sauce without losing its simplicity. Thanks for joining us here at Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Now, go cook. Have some fun. Master the foundation. Elevate the experience. Join us again next time for another exciting sauce to elevate and enhance your meals.